everybody, and welcome to this short DJI Go4 Editor tutorial. I know there are a lot of other fancy tools that will help you editing your clips, but when you are on the go and you quickly want to impress your friends and boost your social media, this DJI Go4 Editor will come very handy. So let's start this tutorial. Let's open up the DJI Go4 app and go to the editor section. Now go to the album section in the upper part of the screen, and here you will find all your clips. It's important to know that all the clips that you can see here in the album section are a cached version of the ones that are saved on the SD card. Thus, they have a lower resolution than the original. To take advantage of the full Spark camera capabilities, would be very good to start importing the original clips from the SD card. To do that, click on that small icon from the upper left corner of the screen and then click on Import from SD card. Please remember that you need to have your phone connected to the remote control or to the Spark to start that process. Now that we have the original footage imported, let's select a clip and edit it. Once we selected the clip, it will be opened up into a new screen. Now click on the clip button, and now you will have your footage ready to be cut off. So scroll left or right to set up the starting point, and once you decided where the clip will start, press the scissors icon. Then play it, and when you decide when to finish that particular cut, press again the button. We have now created a short sequence from our original clip. We can save it as a short clip by pressing the Save button on the upper right corner of the screen. If we do not want to save it, we can just continue and adding it to the timeline by pressing the Create Now button. Now we have our short clip added to the timeline, and the editor will start playing it and also add some background music to this short clip. The DJI Go4 Editor has a built-in library of audio clips. As music plays an important role, we may want to choose a track that fits our footage. Let's navigate to the music section, and here we find the library of all the tracks that DJI Go4 app is putting at our disposal. You can listen to the tracks, and once you decided upon which one you want to use, just click on that icon. Now you will be taken back to the timeline section of the editor, where you can preview your clip and listen to the track that you already selected. If you click on the music duration button, you will have three options: auto, highlights and full. I am using only the highlights and full options. If choosing the auto, that will trim your clip and you need to start over. Now that we have chosen our track, let's add some more footage to our clip. Press the plus button and you will be taken to the album section. Select your clip that you want to use, and then select the duration or the portion that you want to be inserted in the original clip. Once you're done, click on the scissors and then on the OK button. The DJI editor will start playing back your clips. At this stage, you can modify the duration of your clips to try to match to the music beats. Drag the vertical lines of the clip left or right to adjust its duration. Let's add some more footage to our clip. Repeat the procedure, press the plus button, then go into the album section, select your clip, select the duration. Once you're ready, press the scissor key and then OK. The editor will play the sequence containing all the 3 clips that we already added. What about adding some transitions effects? You can do that by clicking the little icon in between the clips and select one of the transition effects from that list. Let's enhance our video a bit. We can change the playback speed, we can adjust the brightness, the contrast and the saturation of each clip. To do that, you need to select one of the clips in your sequence and click on that pencil icon on the left of the clip. That way, you will be taken to a new menu in the DJI Go4 Editor. Here, as you can see, we can adjust the playback speed, the contrast, the brightness and the saturation. If you are using cuts from the same footage to build up this video, then I would recommend noting down all the selections you made in this menu and apply them to all the clips in this sequence. That will keep consistency around brightness, contrast and saturation. We can add some more enhancements to our video by using the tilt shift option. The tilt shift creates the impression that the objects in the video are smaller than the reality. Clicking on the checkmark sign on the lower right corner of the screen will apply all the selections we made to the selected clip. Now we need to replicate those selections to the other 2 clips in our video. There is another way of adding some interesting color effects to the video. In the lower part of the screen, the 3rd icon will reveal some interesting effects that can be added to the video. Just scroll through them and see which one fits best your clip. Our video is almost ready. It's time to add some titles to it. The last icon in the lower part of the screen refers to the titles. Tap on it and then just choose one of the presets that you will find in that menu. Let's choose the text one. We can type in the title we want, we can also change the font color, and we can change the size of the title as it is shown on the screen. Now that we have finished the editing part, it's time to hit the complete button in the upper right corner of the screen and wait for the DJI Go4 Editor finish exporting the video. Now that the export have been completed, let's choose a cover for our video. Click on the cover icon and then choose a still from the video that can be set up as a cover. Our video is almost ready to be shared. Let's type in a name and then let's add some relevant tags. The last step is to share the video. We can choose from several social media platforms. The default selected one is the DJI's Sky Pixel platform. If you do not want to share your video, you will find it already saved locally onto your phone or tablet. And that was all. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching.